The Clear History and Website Data button in Safari settings might be grayed out for a couple of reasons. The first reason is simple. If you've recently cleared your search history or haven't been browsing recently, the button will appear grayed out by default. Also, if you frequently use private mode in Safari, your online activity isn't tracked or recorded. To allow activity logging again, make sure to close all your private tabs by switching to regular browsing mode. If that's not the case, and you've recently visited websites but still see the grayed out button, the second possible reason could be restrictions on your web activity. To check for restrictions, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select Content Restrictions, and under Web Content, ensure it's set to Unrestricted Access. This will allow you to clear your history freely. Alternatively, if you want a quicker solution, you can disable Screen Time altogether. Go back to the Screen Time main menu, scroll to the bottom, and tap Turn Off Screen Time. Enter your passcode when prompted, and this will remove all restrictions. If restrictions are not the issue or the problem still persists, the next step is to try force restarting your iPhone. This is a simple way to fix minor software glitches. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 models, press and hold the volume down button and the sleep.wake button together until the Apple logo appears. If you have an iPhone 6 or older, press and hold the home button and the sleep.wake button simultaneously until the Apple logo shows up. If even a forced restart doesn't solve the problem, your final option is to reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data or media. Open Settings, go to General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Reset and select Reset All Settings.